This is my old HP Pavilion, the Sleekbook 15. This is the laptop that I've had since December of 2012, since it has replaced my parents' old Acer Extensa 5220. Now, you can tell that the display doesn't exist on this laptop because of its build quality. The display is so heavy that it essentially broke off from the frame, and I did technically repair it, but it's not worth it, especially with the display being only 1366 by 768, so I just ended up taking it off entirely. Speaking of broken plastics, we also have broken plastics around the hinges, the cooling vents, and around the ports. As for this laptop specs, this has a 3rd generation Core i3 3227U paired with 8GB of RAM, which I've downgraded to 750GB hard drive that has been replaced with a 120GB SSD, and a NVIDIA GT630M pairing alongside the Intel HD Graphics 4000. This laptop originally shipped with Windows 8, but since ever I installed this SSD, it doesn't have an OS, so we'll be installing our good old friend Arch Linux. Now, you may be asking, well, how am I going to show the screen output if we don't have a display? Or at least I do have one, but I don't want to plug it in, especially since it's glossy. My solution for this is this cheap HDMI capture card that I bought on AliExpress recently, and we'll be using this to capture the Arch Linux installation and me setting it up. This laptop's touchpad is also dead, so we will have to use this USB wireless keyboard mouse combo multimedia thing, which is going to be helpful since this laptop is going to be out of reach. So without further ado, let's begin.